Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gumroad on your phone. First, open your preferred web browser on your mobile device and navigate to the Gumroad website. Log in using your existing credentials. You'll find the interface is designed to be intuitive and responsive, making it easy to navigate. This allows you to manage your entire business from virtually anywhere, ensuring you stay connected to your customers and sales. Managing your products on Gumroad through your phone is straightforward. You can quickly upload new digital items such as an ebook or a video course directly from your device. Editing existing product descriptions, adjusting prices, or changing availability takes just moments. Plus, you can check the performance of individual products, seeing how many units have sold and their total revenue, all from your pocket. Keeping an eye on your business performance is crucial, and Gumroad on your phone makes it simple. You can view real-time sales figures and track individual customer purchases as they happen. Dive into detailed analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. This mobile access also allows you to promptly address customer questions or process refunds, maintaining excellent customer service even when you are away from your desk. Engaging with your customers and managing your account settings is seamless on your phone. You can respond to messages and provide support directly through the mobile interface, fostering strong customer relationships. Easily update your personal and payment information, ensuring everything is current. Keeping your profile professional and accurate helps build trust with your audience, all manageable with just a few taps on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.